Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm back with another video.
I'm out for my grandmother. I can't wait for our... When that comes in your her on be like, what's this? I say my auntie.
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Alright y'all, I know y'all haven't seen any new videos, but I promise that I will be giving y'all videos once a week. For some reason, I'm not sure what's going on, but the software that I use to edit my videos have not been working, which is probably telling me that I need to upgrade my editing software because, you know, you can't depend on the cheap stuff. Today, I'm not sure what I'm actually going to do to this cell phone case. As you can see, I don't have anything out. I just have a bare phone case, and but I know that I have to make something. I purchased these sockets at Ross this weekend, so I think I might be using a socket on one of these cases. I'm not sure yet. I'm about to try to take it out though, so I can see how it looks. And I have some really cute ones. Two of the sockets that I do have are very different and unique. I've never seen this before. I'm not sure if anyone else has, but I haven't. So I have that one. I wish I had my scissors. I know Soli had my scissors. I'm not sure, but she put them in. So I have to take them out like that. I have this one, which is really cute. It's like a Mickey. Let me see. Okay, so why is it not opening? Why is it not opening? What's going on? Oh, there we go. Yo, oh, okay. It's like one of those snap. Okay, I get it. All right, I have that one. We have another one, which is another Mickey, and I'm guessing that this one is like the other one, which snaps in, so you gotta like pop it out like that. And I'm not sure, apply the additional adhesive on glass. Okay, so this is like extra adhesive. I'll keep that right there. And May is in the back, being May. You guys, what time is it? It is like 9:48 in the morning, so y'all know everybody's up. We have this one, which I thought was really cute because you can open it and then close it. Like, ain't that cute? Like, open it and close it. I think I might use this for myself because this is so cute. Like, what would you actually put in there though? What would you put in there? But that's cute. So we have that one, and then we have this other one. I wish I would. You can see a little bit in my camera, but I'm going to crop that right out. Y'all probably ain't gonna see that part though. I can. And then we have this one, which is a grip with a wallet attached, which is so freaking cute. And it's actually telling me how I have to stick it. Okay, and then you just put the wallet. Let me see if I got a card so I can demonstrate. And I don't have a card because I took all my cards upstairs. Let's see. Let me use this. You just pop it in like this. Wait, hold up. Hold it up. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. Do it go down that way? Oh, do you go put it in this way? Why would you do that? Okay, so I'm guessing. Oh, okay, so it goes upside down like that. Oh, okay. See, that's why I should have just read the instructions first. Oh, yep, it goes down. So I guess you push it up like that. Push the card up. So I have this one as well. I think I might use this for myself. I think I might use this for myself. And then I can just like bling out all of this so you won't be able to tell. But yeah, you guys, so I don't know what I'm getting into today. Like I said, I am about to make a cell phone case, though. I know that for sure. I want this case to be fire. I don't know if I want to come up with a new mixture or what I want to do. But I do want it to be fire. So we're going to go here and like start pulling some pieces. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, my pieces are laid out, and I am currently going into the rhinestone cabinet to retrieve some red and pink, and I think I'm going to do clear and AB. Excuse that bump in the back, I just dropped something. But I probably already have a mixture with red and pink in it, but I'm going to just go ahead and make a new one because I want to show y'all how I come up with my mixtures and all of that good stuff. So yeah, it's always messing with the baby. All right, so we got that mixture. Should I put a little bit of white in there? See, that's my problem. I always do overly too much. But it's okay though. So I'm just gonna take out all the ones that I think I want to use. All right. Do I have any red diamonds in here? Oh, look, I got this red little diamond, y'all. Or ruby, whatever you want to call it. That's cute. And it's so small. I got another one. It's an oval though. I'm always finding stuff. That's how y'all know I got too much stuff. Always finding stuff. Okay, so we gonna go ahead and make this mixture. So there's a lot of pink and red on here. I'm not sure which one I want to be the dominant color. But we gonna see. Let me see. Hold up, y'all. Let me get more rhinestone. Because I don't want those. I do got pink. I thought I had regular pink. I only bought pink AB. I thought I bought regular pink. Up. I could have sworn I bought a regular pink. Oh my gosh, y'all. If it ain't one thing, it's another. I thought I bought regular pink pearls, but clearly I did not. Alright, so we're going to go ahead. We're going to go in with some pink AB. These are pearls. Then we're going to go in with some pink AB rhinestones. Okay. But I'm looking for my regular pink, y'all. I need to find that regular pink. Then we're going to go in with some. These are glass stones pink. Oops, a blue one got in here. Oh, come on, let me get you out. Okay. So this is pink glass stones, like I said. Let's just go ahead and go in with these red. All right, that should be good. I do have some white AB. I don't want to do too much. Matter of fact, because I already got so much AB, I'm not gonna go in with that. I'm just gonna go in with regular white pearls, just regular white ones. Right, and then I'm gonna go in with some smaller white. Okay, and these are rhinestones right here. These are 2 mm, so y'all won't really see these. Small. Okay, just a little bit. I don't need a lot. And then y'all know I gotta go in with some of my clear. I'm not pouring this one in. I'm gonna get some pinches. These are 2 mm glass stones, which I absolutely love. Okay, let me get 2 more pinches. 2 more pinches, it won't hurt. Okay, and I'm like dropping them all over the place. Okay, and I'm looking for my clear glass stones. Let me just put this right here for now. Oh, you know what, y'all? I forgot that I had this piece. Now y'all know who I'm making it for. I forgot that I had that piece, so we're gonna use that one. All right. Now, what did I say I had to do? Oh, yeah. I need to find my just my regular clear rhinestones. Okay, so we have some regular glass stones. We're going to put that in there like that. One more pinch. But I need to find some regular pink. I need some regular pink. I could have sworn I bought regular pink. Why would I buy all that AB and no regular pink? So I don't feel like digging down. And I can't wait till I move so that my rhinestones can be like out in the open and I'm not digging too much for them, because I tell you, that's the struggle. Okay, the struggle is real, digging in the cabinet for them rhinestones. All right, y'all, Mimi is coming to me, so I gotta hurry up. Okay, so we drop the mixture in. Shake it up. All right, and we're gonna pour it in like so. And then look at the rhinestone sticking. Okay, and there goes the mix. Y'all, I gotta get baby. You really can't even see the red like that, but that's okay. So that means that I'm going to be going in with more red and less pink. And then like my rhinestones, a lot of them got stuck inside, but it's okay because it's gonna go back in here. So we gonna go ahead. So I'm not putting any of these grips on there. I'm not putting any of them. Oops. I'm not putting any of them. Oh, okay, you guys. So this one you gotta spin. Oh, okay. So you gotta push this one down and then spin it like it's like, wait, hold up. Push it down, then spin for it to lock. All right, y'all. And we're going to get the placing. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I added some pink flowers. I'm feeling the look, so we're gonna go ahead, get the glue on these pieces, and get straight to blinging. To tear off the plastic off the diamond, you guys, because it wasn't it was still plastic over the cutout, so we missed out on that one. We're gonna go ahead and pull back the plastic on Girl Gang. You guys, I didn't have this glue tight enough, and I keep forgetting that I just glued these pieces, and I'm all rough and strong. Let me go ahead and put some more glue down. Because this plastic is stuck. Okay, y'all, I gotta go in and do some cleaning up, but there you have it. I'm gonna go outside and take some pictures, but be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also be sure that you are subscribed to the channel, and go over there and follow me on TikTok at Designs by Mo. I think it's Designs_by_Mo. And leave your comments below. Also, head over to my Instagram at Designs by MYC and give your girl a follow. Until the next video, you guys. Bye-bye.